When your team holds frequent meetings, internal check-ins, client calls, project updates, capturing what's said, what's decided, and what needs to happen next matters. That's where meeting transcription and smart summarization tools come in. Today, we'll compare Fireflies.ai and Otter.ai to help you pick the right tool for your team's workflow. Let's start with Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai positions itself as a full meeting assistant. It can join calendar invites, join conferences, record and transcribe audio and video from platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and more. After the meeting, it provides a transcript plus a smart summary with key points, action items, questions raised, and can filter search inside transcripts. For example, find all mentions of pricing. For teams that want to focus on the meeting conversation without worrying about note-taking, Fireflies.ai does a lot of heavy lifting. Automatic join, transcription, summaries, and integration with tools like Slack, Notion, Asana, Salesforce. On the other hand, because it does auto-join and record, you'll want to set meeting permissions and privacy clearly. Also, while Fireflies.ai is strong for transcription and automated summaries, if you need ultra-deep anal. Now let's look at Otter.ai. Otter.ai started primarily as a transcription service, and it has evolved into a meeting assistant for teams. It offers live transcription of meetings, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, records slides and screen shares, produces summaries, identifies speakers, and makes all the meeting content searchable. It also supports shared meeting notes, collaboration, tagging action items, and can serve as a knowledge base of meetings across the organization. The strength here is particularly high if you have a lot of meetings, need to index past calls, refer back to previous decisions, or build a searchable archive of discussions. On the flip side, because it supports robust features for teams and enterprise, you'll want to evaluate cost and set up proper workflows to make full use of those capabilities. In summary, Fireflies.ai is a strong choice if you want high automation, hands-off note-taking, and a focus on capturing meeting content without interrupting flow. Otter.ai is a strong choice if you want deep searchability, speaker metadata, collaboration across transcripts, and a tool that scales into a knowledge base for your meetings. Both tools are excellent, but the best one is the one your team will stick with. Test, integrate, and make it part of your meeting rhythm, rather than letting meeting notes stay scattered or forgotten. Good luck making your team's meetings more productive.